Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can assign your own domain to your website in GetResponse, and believe me, it is quite simple. Let's see how. Right now I am in the website builder page, so what I did was I went to Tools on the top left and I clicked Website Builder. Then you will land in this page. As you can see, I have a few websites. If you don't have any, you will see a little bit different screen here. It will just ask you to create a website, and once you do, you will see exactly this. And now let's imagine that you already have your own website and you want to assign your own domain. And the things that you need here is your own domain. So you need a domain provider and a GetResponse account that allows you to create your own website. And as we already have that, let's now click on our website. I'll click here on Simple Setup. And you will see then a screen here, connect a domain you own. Let's click here. And it is very simple. You'll give your website a name, and then you will choose a domain here. I already added mine, but let me show you the process. So you just click here, add a new domain. You write simple setup.xyz. You don't write exactly that. That's actually my domain. So you write your own, and just to exemplify, I write a different one. And when you click add, you will see the records that you need to add to your domain provider. And let's copy them, and they are dynamic, so don't copy the same ones as I have in the video. You will have your own. And let's say got it. And let me now select my domain, the one that I added before, as it is the real one. And I will you will do the same. If you already have your domain assigned here, you will just click to get your DNS records. Otherwise, if you just assigned like I exemplified, you will have the records that it showed before. Let's see, got it. And now let's jump to our domain provider. We are using GoDaddy for this video, although any domain provider that allows DNS access will allow you to do the same thing. You just have to figure out where you can access the DNS. And in this case, if you're using GoDaddy as well, you will just go to My Account, Manage My Products, and you will follow up by going to your domain, simplesetup.xyz, that's mine. And you'll just click DNS. We are now in the DNS page, and what you need to do is to change the name servers here. We have 4, and let's click change. One thing that you need to consider here is if you have an email address associated with that domain, you will lose access to that email address. So if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to lose access, you should assign a subdomain instead. Look on the right corner, there is an annotation link that will take you to my video on how you can assign a subdomain instead. Now following up, let's change our name servers. You will just see exactly like this here, and you will click to enter your own. So this is what you need to do depending on which provider you have. You should have an option to add your own name servers. And here, let's copy what we have. And I remember that it just this number will change. It will go till 4. Let's add like number 3 now. And number 4. And then as simple as that, we just click save. Okay, as you can see now, if you already have, of course, if you have your website pointing to a different name servers, you might lose access to it. That's why they are pointing to GetResponse if you want the website created in GetResponse to be displayed with this domain. And just keep that in mind, as well as the email address that I mentioned before. Keep that in mind before you change name servers, because you might want a subdomain instead. And let's click continue. All right, now we are done. There is a notification here that can take up to 48 hours. So now let's go back to GetResponse. This is now the boring part here. This is where you will need to wait. I clicked publish. You just have to wait. I just wanted to show that you will see this notification here pending, and usually this will take from 24 hours to 48 hours. It's a matter of time. And what you can do now, it will be just to wait. And if you see that more than 48 hours has passed, you can contact our customer success team, and they will help you check if everything is correct. As you can see, it was a quite simple process. You just need to understand what it does exactly, and then you will have your own website displayed with your domain, just like in here. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.